Hi everybody, thank you for joining me for another video on WaterMine. So if you just happen to um, see this video, so I will let you know that I have other video under my account, YouTube account. So that show you that talk about WaterMine. What is WaterMine? Where this company is located and everything about it. I made a kind of overview about this company. Today this video my objective for this video is to show you how you can make a deposit and what am I using your cash app. Okay, there is uh, I think there is multiple platform that you can use to make deposit on what am I, but one of the main one that we use so far is Cash App, and it is the easiest one to use to make deposit in WaterMine. Okay, so we said that WaterMine is a platform that you can put your money in instead of trying to go to the stock market or forex exchange market to trade. Okay, or instead of putting your money in a bank that will give you maybe 1%. Okay, that will be uh, devaluated, with the inflation. So it's better to invest your money, to put your money somewhere that they can give you a huge interest on it. So that's what they do. When you give them your money, they go invest the money in the market, in the cryptocurrency market and forex market, and they generate a profit, and from the profit that they generate, they give you some of it. Okay, is it I'm sure, and I've been doing it for 2 months now, and I have like couple other friends, okay, that is in this business, that doing this type of investment with WaterMine as well. So far there is nothing negative that we are expecting from WaterMine. So until now, we will say that is it trustworthy company. We trust it. Okay, so let's go to show you I don't want this video to last for too long. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, because I will try to put at least 2 or 3 videos per week, according to what I'm experiencing and my benefit and everything about I will keep doing research about it as well, how we can make more profit in what am I. So keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video, if you find this content is useful for to you. So just give me a thumbs up, so I can that can encourage me to make more videos. And if you find anything that you want to say, you can give me your feedback. If you have a question, I can try to find the answer for you as well. So no problem with that. So being said, let me just log in. So I expect that you watch my previous video where I talk about WaterMine and what they use. Okay, WaterMine, we say that they don't, that's true that you're gonna use money to invest in WaterMine, but they don't really use your money. So they convert your money into a currency base or exchange. Okay, which is Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. Okay, I know for those of you who doesn't know what is cryptocurrency, that it cannot be confused for you, but no worry, that's what um like we're gonna use in the near future in the world. Okay, so if you do not have if you did not register on WaterMine yet, so I'm gonna put a link under this video. Please use this link, okay, to register. Okay, please use my link to register. That gonna give me a 8% commission. Like if you register, if you use my link, okay, that's gonna take out anything on your money. They just gonna pay me because I refer someone. Okay, they just gonna give me a percentage because I refer someone. And once you register as well, so you're gonna have your own referral link, and you can use this link to refer people, friends, family members that you know, so you can get commission as well. All right, let's spread out the WaterMine message. Okay, being said, let's log in into my account. As you can see, guys, I have my account here and I have a Cash App account here. So I'm using my phone. I link my phone uh, on my laptop so I can walk you through the process. I will log in. Okay, I will enter my name, username. You have to create a username when you log in. Using my link, you have to create a username and a password. 5389 815389. Okay. Okay. Once you create your account, so you're gonna receive the same dashboard as you see here. Okay. You're gonna see this dashboard. Okay. In this dashboard, guys. So what you're gonna do, you can experiment. You can open those different tab to explore. Okay, what they have. But we're gonna go straight. This is my account, guys. This is so far. Okay, how much I invested in it. So my total deposit is $6,128 that I put in already. I just take out $4. It was just to test it and how the withdrawal process works. I don't wanna withdraw my money now. So every I try to reinvest. Like every time I get some money, they pay me, and I try to reinvest it so I can get more money. Okay. Um, Yes, let me just show you the history that I'm getting. So, for now, guys, let me take the two last day. Let's take 22nd. Okay, so I receive four deposit every day because I have four investment. I have four package so far. Okay, 22nd. I have like when I first start, I start with $48 and they pay me, okay, they pay me 2% of this $48, and I purchased another package for $2,576 and they pay me $67 out of it, and I purchased another one for 1,000, they pay me $24. I purchased another one for 2,500, sorry, and they pay me $65. Like you can see, guys, every day. So I'm getting two or four deposit. Okay, one one at 4 in the morning. I got another one at 4 in the morning. I have another one at 2 p.m. and another one at 9 p.m. So and 23rd is the same thing. So one at 4 p.m., 4 a.m., 4 a.m., 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. And today, which is the 24th, I got one at 4 p.m., 4 p.m., 2 p.m., etc. So that's what I'm getting every day. I'm getting for deposit. Okay, for you guys, so you wanna make it, you wanna start. Okay, when you have your, you're gonna see all this. Okay, all this tab on your dashboard. You wanna go to make a deposit. Okay, when you go to make a deposit, okay, make a deposit. Okay, so there is different packages. I talk about those different package already in my previous video. So guys, again, go to my previous video so you can see where I talk about the different packages. Let's say now you wanna invest a minimum $1,000. So you have $1,000 that you want to invest. Okay, you want to put in. So you click on this package. Okay, you click on $1,000 package, and you enter. You're not gonna see this here. Okay, guys, you're not gonna see this because this is the my balance. This is like uh the the, the money that they put in my account every day, as you see for different package that I have. Okay, so you're not gonna see, for you it's gonna be zero right here if you just start. Okay, so $1,000, for example, I enter $1,000 right here. Okay, even if you select it here, you still need to enter the amount here. Okay, because this is the minimum you can invest. So you can invest from 1,000 to $2,499. It's still gonna be to 4%. Okay, if you wanna be if you wanna receive 2.6%, you have to invest a minimum of $2,500. Okay, so from here, like I said, you can put, okay, 1,700 dollars. $1,700 is still gonna be the same 2.4% you're gonna receive every day. Okay, so now this is the crypto coin that they use. I don't really know about perfect money, so is that they don't use it in the United States, so that's why I'm not really focused on it. So you can use Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc. That you know them. But since we're gonna use Cash App, and Cash App only use Bitcoin so far, so we're gonna select Bitcoin. That's mean that's how you're gonna choose to pay the $1,700. Okay, guys, so you select Bitcoin and you click on spend. Okay, when you're clicking spend uh, on spend, they're gonna okay, that's a confirmation page. Say okay, you have a 3-month contract with us, okay, with them, so they will pay you 2.4% daily on your money. Okay, 2.2% daily on your money. So this is, now you say, okay, this $1,700, it's equal, the value of this $1,700 in Bitcoin is that 0.04197531. That's the value. Okay, so how you gonna do that? They say now, please send this, okay, Bitcoin, okay, value to this link. Okay, so you don't have Bitcoin, how you gonna do it? You have money, you don't have Bitcoin. So that's when Cash App enter the process. Okay, so this is Cash App. I know if you don't have Cash App, guys, so I will put a link on this video. If you use my link, I think you're gonna receive $5 for referral. I think I'm gonna receive $5 too, but I'm not sure. But I will put the link Cash App for you so you can use. And one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, always use, if you wanna, because the market now is so competitive, like everything you wanna download on the internet, try to see if there is no referral link on the internet, like on YouTube, because once you use those referral link, you have money. Okay, you have some you benefit something, and the person that sent out the link benefits something too. Okay, you don't want to go straight to the website and download it and for nothing. If they're gonna give you $5, why don't you take it? So just find a reference link, okay, and get it from the reference link. Okay, so now, and guys, don't forget to, if you like the content, okay, don't forget to like it and subscribe, because I'm trying to put at least 2 or 3 videos every week about WaterMine to show you my progress. And I will put a video in the near future to show you how I'm gonna use Binance US, which is another platform that I use to buy coin. Okay, how I'm gonna use Binance US to make deposit on WaterMine. Okay, and I will try to use Dogecoin, which is one of the best coin that is out there as well. Okay, I'm gonna try to purchase to buy a package using Dogecoin. All right, guys. So this is Cash App. Okay, when you go to Cash App, so you're gonna I assume that you set up your Cash App already to receive Bitcoin, or to be able to buy Bitcoin. If not, okay, you can watch a video on YouTube. So I don't have this video here. You can watch a video on YouTube show you how to set up Cash App to buy Bitcoin. Okay, when you once you finish to set up your Cash App, because it's gonna take at least 2 to 3 days for them to verify your identity. They're gonna ask you some questions. They're gonna ask you to take a picture of your driving license, things like that, to set up Cash App. Okay, just for verification. But Cash App is um well-established company, so you don't have to be worried if they ask you to verify your information. It's just for you. Okay, for you. All right. So you click on this. Okay, to icon here, and you see Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down now. It's going down. Okay, but it's okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to buy, because your Cash App is linked to your bank account. Okay, it's linked to your bank account. You're gonna go here. You're gonna buy Bitcoin. Okay, so if you wanna invest, okay, $17,000, they're gonna charge you. Okay, they cannot charge you to buy Bitcoin. Okay, CashApp gonna charge you for that, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, like for example, you want to buy. Okay, you can click this one to select the exact amount that you want to buy. Okay, okay. So let's say that you want to buy for $2,000. Okay, $2,000 of worth of Bitcoin, and you press next. Okay, I'm not gonna do it, and okay, you press next, and it's gonna show you like where to go to buy it. Okay, so I don't know buy it right now. So once you buy it, you're gonna see it here. The same way you see that I have that $794 here. This is what I have, so it's gonna show here. Okay, and they show you Bitcoin. It's in Bitcoin. Okay, it's going up and down. Okay, so now once you have this money here, you're gonna go here. Okay, to this arrow here, and you're gonna click this arrow. So and you're gonna okay put the amount that you want to send, for example. So let's say now I have it 7,000. Let's say 700. Let's say I put $780. Okay, this link right here. When you want to send money to your friend, so what you do, you put the name of your friend here, for example. Okay, you put the name of your friend here, for example, uh, John. I don't know if I have someone. Okay, I have Pedro. Okay, if I want to send money to Pedro, I click on Pedro, gonna go here. So now instead of putting the name of your contact, the name in your contact, okay, so you're gonna take this. Okay, you're gonna take this link. All right, guys, you take this link. Make sure you take everything in this link. Okay, take everything. Okay, don't type it. So that's why I would like you to use your a laptop to do it. Okay, because you're gonna make sure if it will be better if you copy and paste. Okay, you make sure that you take everything and you paste it here. Okay, when you paste it here, it's gonna show right here. Okay, the same. Okay, it's gonna show right here, and you click on it. When you click on it right here, and you select next. When you select next, he send the money. Okay, the money that you put in, send it to this link, and Cash App gonna send you a message saying that the money has been you send that amount of money to WaterMine, and WaterMine in a few minutes. Okay, let's give it at least 2 hours for the max. Okay, so for my experience, it take like less than 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, and you're gonna receive it, and WaterMine gonna also send you a message saying that they receive your deposit. Okay, and your deposit is ready in the next 24 hours. If you do it now it is 11:08 afternoon. Okay, so if you put in the money now, tomorrow in 24 hours exactly, you're gonna receive your deposit on your account. All right, guys. So this is what I want to show you for tonight. Hopefully this video was useful to you. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, and if you want to subscribe, it would be great because I will try to post at least 2 or 3 video every week showing you my progress and what am I, and you can share your progress with me too. So if you have any question you want to ask, please feel free to add it in the comment section in this video. Thank you for watching, and let's tune up. Bye.